When you have a difficult situation in your life, how do you usually deal with it? Do you try to fix it? Or do you roll with the punches? Today, you're going to learn what it means to roll with the punches and how to use it in your everyday conversation. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Bettina from Esprit English, and I am an English teacher from America. The idiom to roll with the punches means being able to adjust and deal with whatever problems happen in life. This is a term that's actually used in boxing. When the boxer sees a punch is coming, he has to move or roll so that he doesn't get hit as hard. He has to roll with the punches. Let's look at an example of how to use this phrase in real life. Imagine that you're preparing for a job interview. You're ready to walk out the door and the phone rings. Your interview has been postponed or changed to a later date. Now, you can get mad and frustrated, or you can roll with the punches and think to yourself, well, now I have more time to prepare for the interview. If you want to practice using roll with the punches, please leave your sentences in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.